Get your pens and papers out and let's follow along. The Einstein marketing content strategy. The first thing we're going to do is create some content, obviously. Sounds simple, but it's got to be in there, otherwise you'll forget about it. I'll teach you the rest. You're going to be like, I haven't got nothing to promote. So the first thing to do is obviously create the content, yeah? 3 types of content. Again, video would be my preferred one. If I was going to give you some advice and say, this is the best one, video, for a lot of reasons. Cheaper to promote, reaches more people, definitely more engaging, more entertaining a lot of the time, on social media anyway, yeah? Video, but if you're like me, and you don't like video, which is fine, you can have audio. Again, I'll show you how to do that in a minute. It's really, really annoying when I found out that Facebook didn't allow you to post audio. Really annoying. I was heartbroken. But we found a way around it, a really cool way around it, which I'll show you. And then you've got the written word, obviously. Yeah. So either of these 3, pretty much in this order, I would do it. If you had to choose, video would be the number 1. Yeah. Yeah. You can, but it'll be hard for. What sort of photos? You know. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Like, a lot of people do like quotes and things like that. They're not going to get a great deal of sharing. And as well, is that a good qualifier? Like what image? Remember, the goal of the content is to qualify your audience. What image is going to qualify them enough for you to feel comfortable that they're interested in your stuff? It's going to be hard to get an image to qualify them, which is why we want information. Information, if they engage with the information, would tell us that they are interested in a product or a service that we have to offer. That's the reason why images wouldn't work, yeah? So stay away from images. So we create the content. The next thing we're going to do, if it's video or audio, it goes straight on your Facebook page. If it's blog posts like we do, the first thing you've got to do, obviously, is post it on your blog, then post a link on Facebook, just like we've done here. What we do is we come into einsteinmarket.com, we post the blog, then we paste the little description, paste the link, that pre-populates everything else. We post it, promote it, yeah? That one. That's the next thing we do. Oh, yeah, I mean, this is after a day or two. Some of these have got 50, 60,000. Yeah, create the content, post it. Okay, so introducing audio as a video. So here's this little sort of nugget. Hopefully a lot of you guys haven't heard of this, right? I looked for the solution, man. I didn't want to get in front of video. I can't stress enough how much I didn't want to do that. So I had to go out and look for a solution. I was just like, how can Facebook, the platform it is, not allow you to post audio? I don't know, still don't know why, but anyway, I was laying in bed one night, really, really late, as I do. Classic entrepreneur, man. My brain is 100 miles per hour all the time. Can't sleep a lot of the time. I'm up on my phone looking for solutions to problems. And I was trying to find a solution to this. Like, how can I get audio on Facebook? And I come across a website, which I'll tell you about in a minute, just by complete fluke on Google after about 10 different searches. What I was struggling with was the keyword to put in. And get Google to understand what I was trying to look for, because I didn't really know what the solution was. Come across this site which allows you to take an audio and make a video from the audio. So it's although it's an audio, it's an MP3, it's in an MP4 format. And it's really cool and engaging. So I'm going to show you. Raise your hands if you want to know how to do this, please. Yeah, good. It's going to be useful then. Okay, so here's an example of it. When I first did this slide, funny story, when I first did this slide, I couldn't even play this. I couldn't even listen, because again, raise your hands if you've done audio before, any sort of audio. Now, you guys will know what I'm talking about, right? When you first do audio, or even video, I imagine, when you first hear yourself back, when you hear yourself in your ears going out that way, you sound like amazing. You sound like the coolest person on earth, right? When that same sound comes back in this way, it sounds completely different, right? Doesn't it? It's not you. You're like, who is that guy? He sounds awful. And it was like unbearable to listen to. But then what happens after a while, the sounds match up. That sound now sounds like this sound to me. So I can actually watch this slide now. I used to go and stand in the corner and hold my ears. I hated it. I was like, that's not me. I sound cooler than that. All right, so this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like, yeah? Really, really cool. Look how engaging this would be in a Facebook feed.
the Need to Know Digital Marketing Trends of 2018. And the winners were content marketing, video consumption, and as always, Facebook ads.
I'm reading a blog post.
But that was last year. Marketing success is all about getting ahead of the game. So we need to consider what we've learned from the first month of 2018 and how will this affect digital marketing trends for the rest of 2018. Let's dig down into a few numbers and make some solid predictions for the coming year. Social media influencers.
Right, there you go. You get the idea, yeah? I won't spend too much longer on that. How cool is that, yeah? So what that was our feature image of our blog post, straight in there. You pick a waveform, and again, I'll go through each piece of this in a minute for you, how to set this up. Upload your audio, and then that's it. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. You get a nice, beautiful MP4, which is actually an audio, which means you get all the benefits of promoting video on Facebook without doing video.